Yeah, ize yayenzakala yabo. Whereby bekangama sign vele yabo, because she was too touchy. Yabo. Yeah, serious. Utshela yabo. Yeah, ngiyenzile.
Uziya smile. Smile. What's in the media kunoma?
Next.
So obvious.
Yeah. Okay, where can I see myself in 5 years?
Yeah.
But currently I cannot even see myself in 5 years. But I'm hoping to see myself.
What's the lowest thing of a performer? Like I'm about to perform 6-pack and married to.
I want to remember one by one. Mangits yangela ne angibona ngishaye izolo. Bengingathi ukuthi ngiyenzani mara bengijayiva.
So ngibone like abantu bakutshela ukuthi hayi mnandi le ujayiva.
Yeah, bogcwele like webaya like labona la ngikhuza attention wonke umuntu bese kabhekile.
So ukuthi invite ne crowd ukuthi la way kumnandi ngakhona.
Exactly, Joe.
So bonke ababhekile nawo.
Yeah, bonke ababhetile mina from amabhetile swamane angizake ngibe ne defeat. Yabo, I'm from lapho ngiyabona ukuthi yintswembu. Mangiqhubeka ngibheka kanje staff bani ngiyabona ukuthi ngizama ukupractice amanye ama dance. Mina by that time bengisaploma eLimpopo. Yabo. Bengisaploma eLimpopo and ama dance kade ngafani. Thina eLimpopo bokujiva ilekom.
So uzikira nala futhi in your own words. Ira nala So how did your parents react? Now watching ukuthi mina I want to take dancing serious because obvious there was a time that women watching completely only the time my family members lento mina ngiyayithanda and lento ngifuna ukuyenza and 8 months